I'm going to show you ArbDoge AI price prediction. Today, we're taking a look at ARBDoge AI, a cryptocurrency that's been making some waves lately. As you can see on CoinMarketCap, ADO is currently trading at 0.011266, which is a significant decrease from where it was just a week ago. In fact, over the past 7 days, ADO has dropped by 27.99%, which is a bearish sign for sure. Now let's talk about the market cap. ADO currently boasts a market cap of $24.25 million, putting it in the mid-cap range, which means there's still room for growth. However, with the recent price drop and warnings about potential risks in the community chat, it's difficult to make a definitive prediction. The crypto market is highly volatile, so anything can happen. And that was all. Subscribe. It's free.